welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be changing my lash packaging. This is the new box. I found those boxes and I really love them. They match with the style, so I'm going to be changing them from these old ones to those new ones. If you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I was having a little issue with the old packaging. This is why I decided to change it, and also I'm like shifting my brand colors so it's kind of matching more. And right now I'm showing you guys what's inside. I still have the same things inside, the spoolie and then the logo and the lash. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what's in there, but I wanted to let you know the main reason why I wanted to change the packaging. The glitter one, when I write the labels on them, they don't stick. And the black one, the holographic part, the second you like kind of scratch it a little bit, it like goes off. So I kind of wanted to get something very simple, very sleek. So this is when I found these lash boxes, and I really like them. And as you can see, they match also with the new lip gloss boxes. This is the one tube lip gloss box, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I labeled these ones and how they match and stuff like that. I don't know, it just made sense to me, like the marble, the white, the black marble and gray, adding a little touch of lavender to it. It just seems more subtle, you know, it seems more like, yeah, it's my brand. So now I'm showing you guys the spoolies I use. They are purple. I still want to keep the purple, you know. I just wanted to like change the color because of some issues. Right now I am just labeling the box, so I'm making labels so I can know like they're all gonna be in the same box, so I need to know what lash is what and easily pick them out when I make orders. So I am labeling the top because the way I set it up in my drawer, I see the top, so I label the top so I can just pull it right out. So I also show you guys how the old one was. I used like a white label, and now I have a clear label. It's still the same font and everything, but you know, the clear is more like clean and it looks more like elegant. So I really like the clear one over the white one. Angela lashes are also available. I cannot keep them in stock because they are my #1 seller. Everyone loves Angela. But now I'm changing the box for Regina, so I'm making new labels. So this is me typing Regina, and then I'm gonna print it like 2 or 3 times, I believe, because I had like 2 or 3 of each lashes. So this is just me doing that right now. So the boxes come flat and they're really easy to like build. It's kind of like following the folds, and then you already know like how to open and close the box. So like I just followed the fold, and then I just continued like to fold it the way it was supposed to be folded. I love me some nails, but I be struggling sometimes with these labels. They're kind of hard to take out when you have nails, honestly. So here I'm showing you guys why I wanted to change the label. See, I'm just slightly scraping it off, and as you can see, the holographic part just came right out. So that's why I wanted to change the label, the box, because it was very much, it was not working. So yeah, I just literally grabbed everything. I wash my hands, sanitize, everything is clean. It is not easy to do with gloves, so I'd rather like make sure I clean my hands 2-3 times before I do this process, because I've tried it with gloves and like the gloves just get stuck on all the tape. So yeah, I just grab everything, make sure I don't touch the lashes. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like why I was changing the packaging. And this is Regina, also available on my website. Right now I am changing the 16 mm. I'm showing you guys why I wanted to change them. See how the glitter, like, because it was glittery, it could not stick, so I had to put a piece of tape on top of the label. Very much ghetto. And it comes right out. Like, I literally tried so many ways. I tried to scrape the top, like that was when I had the purple one. I tried to scrape the top to see if it would like stick better, but nope, it was not working. So I was like, let's level up, like we're done with this. So I decided to just have all of them in the same box. It was easier. I did 2 different boxes because of the different lengths of lashes, but honestly it doesn't really matter. A lot of people like lose the box anyway, so they're not gonna be like remembering like, oh my god, put this in this one, da, da, da. So yeah, I just wanted to make things more simple and easy for everyone and for myself. So I just got the same box, and this is me folding it again. I'm showing you guys how I folded it in the same process. I pull it out, I make sure I do not touch the lash. This is me showing you guys Megan. This is for my natural girlies. It is really, really short, like very short. Personally, my favorite is Angela, but there's a lot of people who also love Megan. It's either Angela or Megan. Like, these are my top ones. It's like the naturals or the extras. And I'm in the extra category, you know? So yeah, I'm just showing you guys the lashes. There's choices for everyone. If you want long or short, as you can see, the spoolie fell out, so I just grabbed another one. You know, keeping everything sanitary, I just grabbed another one. I did not want to have to deal with finding the spoolie, putting it out so much. So I just grabbed another one, and then I just threw away the other one that fell. But yeah, this is just a very simple process. Everything is basically self-explanatory. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Alright, this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this packaging video. I am just showing you guys the beauty of the new lash boxes. I hope you really like them. This is me just changing a few. I changed a few on camera and I changed the rest off camera. But these are the lashes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Support a sister trying to reach 500 followers here. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.